Welcome to the incredible journey, where we dive deep into the miracles of human development. Today, we're exploring one of the most fascinating processes in biology, fetal brain development. From a single cell to a complex organ with billions of neurons, the brain's journey begins long before birth. In this video, we'll break down the stages week by week, uncovering how this tiny powerhouse forms and prepares for life outside the womb. If you're a parent-to-be, a student, or just curious about science, stick around. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more wonders of the human body.
Let's start at the very beginning, conception. When a sperm fertilizes an egg, a zygote is formed, a single cell with the potential to become a human being. By the end of the first week, this zygote has divided into a blastocyst, implanting into the uterine wall. But brain development truly kicks off around week 3 with neurulation. Here, the embryo forms a flat structure called the neural plate, which folds into the neural tube, the precursor to the entire central nervous system. This tube closes by week 4, forming the brain and spinal cord. Any disruptions here can lead to conditions like spina bifida, highlighting how critical these early days are. By week 4, the neural tube has differentiated into 3 primary brain vesicles, the forebrain, midbrain, and hindbrain.
Moving into weeks 5 through 8, the embryo transitions to a fetus, and brain development accelerates. The 3 primary vesicles divide further. The forebrain splits into the telencephalon and diencephalon, laying the groundwork for the cerebral hemispheres and thalamus. The midbrain remains relatively unchanged, while the hindbrain forms the metencephalon and myelencephalon, which will become the pons, cerebellum, and medulla. During this period, neurons begin to proliferate rapidly through mitosis. Stem cells in the neural tube multiply, creating a foundation for the brain's intricate wiring. The cerebral cortex starts to form folds, and basic sensory structures like the eyes and ears begin integrating with the brain. By week 8, the fetus is about the size of a raspberry, but its brain is already showing early signs of complexity, with over 100 billion neurons in the works.
From weeks 9 to 12, the focus shifts to organization. Neurons migrate from their birthplace in the ventricular zone to their final positions in the brain's layers. This is like a massive relocation project, guided by radial glia cells acting as scaffolds. The cerebral hemispheres expand, and the brainstem refines its role in vital functions like breathing and heart rate. Gyri and sulci, those signature brain folds, begin to appear, increasing surface area for more neurons. By week 12, the fetus can respond to touch, and early reflexes emerge as neural connections strengthen. This trimester is crucial for laying down the brain's architecture, setting the stage for higher functions. Entering the second trimester, weeks 13 to 26, we see synaptogenesis, the formation of synapses, or connections between neurons. This explodes around week 18, with trillions of synapses forming. The brain's white matter begins to develop as axons extend and myelination starts, insulating nerves for faster signaling. Sensory development ramps up. The fetus can hear sounds by week 20, responding to mom's voice, and taste buds connect to the brain. The prefrontal cortex, key for decision-making, starts maturing. However, this is also a vulnerable period. External factors like nutrition or stress can impact growth. By week 26, the brain weighs about 100 grams and is capable of basic pain perception and sleep-wake cycles.
In the third trimester, weeks 27 to 40, the brain matures rapidly. Myelination continues, and synaptic pruning refines connections, eliminating weak ones to streamline efficiency. The cerebral cortex deepens its folds, boosting cognitive potential. By week 32, the fetus practices breathing, coordinated by the brainstem. Memory formation begins, and the brain responds to light and patterns. Full term at week 40, the brain is about 25% of its adult size, but has all major structures in place. It's primed for learning.
with plasticity allowing rapid adaptation post-birth. Amazingly, this entire process is orchestrated by genes and environment working in harmony.
And there you have it, the remarkable stages of fetal brain development, a testament to nature's ingenuity. Understanding this can help us appreciate prenatal care's importance. What stage surprised you most? Drop a comment below. If you enjoyed this, check out our videos on child development or prenatal nutrition. Thanks for watching. See you next time.